What up, people? How y'all doing? It's your boy D House back in the building. I don't know if you see it. There's an Amazon box behind me. So I'm going to do an unboxing. So today, I received my order. See, Amazon Prime for a MonoPod. And they sent it in this big ass square box. So we're going to open it up and see what we got. See what's really happening with Amazon and my order. Let y'all see me kind of unbox. I know we're not supposed to use our keys like that, but I'll do it anyway. I'll do it anyway. I don't really give a damn. Yeah, I don't really care how I open the box. As long as it open. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I got it open. So they had this paper. And they have it wrapped with some paper. So see here, the VidPro Professional 67-inch photo and video MonoPod. That's what I got. Nice box. So let's see what's inside. See what we have. See what we got. That was easy. Interesting. Looky here. Empty box now. Has a carrying case. VidPro MonoPod. Nice. Got a drawstring and everything. Nice little carrying case. See what's that? Oh wow. Looky here. Look at there, look at there. So far, so good. Came with the little plastic. Look at there. Looks nice. So I got the little adjustable things for the extension. You can extend it out. And it hits the floor like that. So I can attach my digital camera here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, here we go. I got my piece for my cell phone attachment. Doesn't fit. Let me see if I can attach my digital camera. It's not working. Interesting. Doesn't work. Huh, interesting. I can't get it attached to my camera. Oh well, I'm about to try to send it back. So, after a little researching and checking into it, it does work. Okay, so I have to see this part here. It's a little screw here that I have to take off. That covers the actual screw that goes into my camera. This little part here comes off. So then so I can adjust this where I need it to be. So then I can attach my camera. So there it is, all installed. Feels pretty good. Doesn't feel too heavy. You know, of course, with the added weight of my camera now. This is light and durable. And it adjusts. So we got the adjustable legs for it. You unhook this, and you're able to pull the legs up to adjust to where you want to be. 67 inches. So when you're out, you're shooting video somewhere, and actually it could be a good walking stick as well. You can lean on it like a cane or a stick. So it works out very good. I love it. I think I'm gonna order me another one. Probably better. This is all plastic, I believe. Looks really durable though. Nice grip. I like the grip here. Like the grip. And it comes with a lanyard. So you can put it around the wrist. So if you lose, you won't lose. It won't fall out your hand or something like that when you're carrying it. So that's a little lanyard. So that works out really good. So yeah, I love this feature with the MonoPod extender for your digital camera. Works out really good. Interesting. I always see photographers with these. Then the twist here give you extra little. I guess if you're working in some dirt, screw it in. You can stick it in some dirt or whatever, grass. And this here, the extra little leg, kind of extends out more, so you see the gap in between. So it gives you that little extra feature. So this is cool. And I guess if you want to add another thing for make it a selfie stick, you can. You know, you can do it this way. Make it a selfie stick, do it this way. So there we have my MonoPod. My MonoPod MP67 Professional 67-inch photo video MonoPod. Just got it today from Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. Appreciate it. So let me upload this video. Please subscribe and tell me what you think.